Find the first three terms in the expansion of 2 minus x squared over 4 to the power 6 in ascending powers of x. And we need to simplify each term. So we're going to start with 2 to the 6, and then we'll have plus 6c1, 2 to the power 5, negative x squared over 4 to the power 1, and then we'll have 6c2, 2 to the 4, and then we'll have negative x squared over 4 squared. And that would continue on down there. So 2 to the power 6 we know is 64. 61 is 6. Then we've got 32. Now, obviously with this being a negative to the power 1, that would make this term negative. And we'll have x squared over 4. Then we've got 6c2, which is 15. Of course, you can find that on the calculator if you need to, times 16. And with the negative being squared, this term would stay positive, and we'll have x to the 4 over 16. So those 16s cancel. That term is just going to be plus 15x to the 4. And here, the 4 would cancel with the 32 to give 8. So we've got 64, take away 48x squared, plus 15x to the 4, and so on. Hence find the term independent of x in this expansion. So we've got our 64, take away 48x squared plus 15x to the 4, and so on. Now, expanding that is going to give me 9, take away 6 over x squared plus 1 over x to the 4. So we'll get independent of x if we do this one times this one, the x squareds will cancel, and if we do this one times this one, the x to the 4s will cancel. So that is going to give me negative 48 times 6. So it was times negative 6, so it's positive. So we're doing a negative times a negative, so it's going to end up being positive. And then it's going to be 15 times 1. So we've got 48 times 6, add 15, gives me 303.